Today, on the glorious day of World Global Day of Parents, would like to share my experience for Jalandhar's number 1 Delhi Public School. I am an extremely proud and prestigious DIPSI parent as we have been associated with them from almost 2 decades. It all started in 2002 when my eldest daughter Mehak joined the inaugural batch of DPS. Over the years, the wall of trust just built up, and it was obvious for us as parents to hand over the baton of the younger two to DPS family. DPS has a very special place in our lives. The association of teachers with us have been very strong, as DPS consider their teachers as their assets and they have very well retained them in the past so many years. I am a very satisfied parent of DPS as we have given our children the right education in the right institution. Thank you.
Our dream was fulfilled when we enrolled our kids here in Delhi Public School. It has been very satisfying as the school is very progressive and growing.
We are very happy to see our children evolve, grow and blossom into the person they truly are so that they become not just scholars but human beings too.
During this coronavirus pandemic, Delhi Public School ensured that academic continuity is maintained through full-fledged virtual classes. So thank you is the least we can say to show our appreciation for everything.
I feel that it was a very wise decision taken by both of us to send her to Delhi Public School, because the teachers there are so loving, so compassionate, and they take care of the child as their own child there. And apart from the parent-teacher meeting, I feel that I can go anytime to the school and I can share my concerns with any of the teachers there. And they're very approachable, they're very talented, and even the school system is also very transparent.
लगभग 12 साल तो मेरा बेटा स्कूल पढ़ रहा है। क्लास प्रेप तो स्टार्ट किया और अज डेट +2 जिथे पढ़ रहा है। जिथे पढ़ाई वालों इन्ना कोऑपरेशन मिला स्टाफ वालों। सरदार अमरजीत सिंह जी बास्केटबॉल के कोच ने उन्होंने भी मेरे बेटे को स्पोर्ट्स के लगाया और उन्होंने शौक पैदा होया। उस बाद वो हॉकी मेरे नाल जाना शुरू किया और अच्छा एक प्लेयर बनया, स्टेट लेवल खेलिया। और मैं अज की डेट जो मैं समझदा कि जो स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी है बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। हर बच्चे को स्पोर्ट्स विच इंटरस्ट लेना चाहिए और पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए है, जो कि DPS स्कूल बहुत अच्छी फैसिलिटी दे रहा है।
DPS ਜਲੰਧਰ ਵਿੱਚ +2 ਦਾ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਬਾਸਕਟਬਾਲ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਲੈਵਲ ਦਾ ਪਲੇਅਰ ਹੈ। ਪਲੇਅਰ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਉਸਨੇ 10ਵੀਂ ਕਲਾਸ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ 85% ਨੰਬਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਾਸ ਆਊਟ ਹੋਇਆ। ਇਹ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ DPS ਦੀ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ, ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਮੈਡਮ ਰੀਤੂ ਅਤੇ ਸਟਾਫ ਦੀ ਸਖਤ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਦੀ ਗੇਮ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੱਕ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੋਚ ਅਮਰਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੀ ਸਖਤ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੀ ਹੈ। DPS ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਦੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਈਵਨ ਹਰ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਹੈ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਮਿਡਲ ਕਲਾਸ ਹੈ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਅਮੀਰ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਇਹ ਇੱਕੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ।
DPS was referred by Maximum, and today I feel very happy with the decision that I made. As a part being a leader in academics, the school also focuses on overall development of the students. My son has participated in many activities including academics, music, drama, sports, etc., which has improved his confidence.
I have observed a couple of things which make DPS stand tall. Attention given to every student, one of the best counseling, inspiring candidates for maximum participation in different activities. Candidates get their shares of credit, be academic, sports, etc.
DPS has been a home to both our sons for 15 years. It provided great education, strong leadership, and overall development in our children.
DPS provided great opportunities for sports. Both my sons went on to play nationals in basketball. DPS has a great culture for work, play and grow. DPS has one of the most talented and dedicated faculties in the region.
I am extremely fascinated with my children's upshots. DPS Jalandhar, though, is renowned for its promising academic results, but I am firmly impressed by the school's approach towards the children who are interested in co-curricular activities. monitoring my elder daughter Manjeet playing basketball with the school team for the past 2 years at the different levels of district and state has been extremely delightful. Highly qualified coach Mr. Amarjeet Singh and incredibly cooperative staff are helping our children to go beyond their wildest dreams. So, I would like to say that I am overly glad to be a part of DPS family, and I am also sure that the intensely skilled faculty of DPS shall help our children dress for success and achieve their goals.
He has got exposure to various extracurricular activities, sports, great teachers and good education. The principal and the teachers are always easily accessible. They are very friendly, and every time we have any query, they solve it very happily. DPS believes in keeping up with the future of learning, but at the same time, they've rooted the children with the core human values of being empathetic and good human beings. What I love about DPS is their feel for the community. They closely work with the NGO Poonj.
When we got transferred to Jalandhar almost 2.5 years back, we chose DPS. Looking back, I can say with confidence that I have no regrets. The children have had an excellent tenure till now. Be it academics, be it co-curricular activities, be it making new friends, having some outstanding teachers to teach. The current lockdown has made me appreciate the school in a very, very different way. It's brought the school closer to us, the parents. Every day for last 2 months we've been hearing teachers impart the best of education and skills to our children. It gives me a lot of confidence the child is in safe hands.
I would like to pay tribute to the unsung superheroes of this ongoing pandemic. Yes, they are none other than our own worthy DPS team. Amidst all the lockdown challenges, our DPS team, in an unparalleled, unattended and a very new teaching environment, they have proved to be excellent in every way. I salute DPS teachers for handling all the students, I should say dozens of students together with their parents, including me, who are always hovering around them like helicopters.
With very few limitations, the school has offered much positives in many regards. The school has helped in the holistic growth of my children. It surely gives equal importance to co-curricular activities along with the academic qualification. It offers enough opportunities to enhance English communication skills and eradicate stage fear forever. The class size is appreciably small, allowing teachers to give personalized attention to students.
Especially during the lockdown period, we got a rare chance to peep into the classrooms of the students and see the professional teaching expertise of staff of DPS.
All the online sessions were really commendable.
Thanks to Team DPS Jalandhar for providing a comprehensive personality development opportunity for every student of DPS.
हमारा DPS जलंधर के साथ रिश्ता 14 साल पुराना है। यहाँ हमारे बच्चों को शिक्षा के साथ साथ संस्कार भी दिए गए हैं। उनकी मन की शक्ति बढ़ी है, उनके चरित्र का निर्माण हुआ है, उनकी बुद्धि का विकास हुआ है। उनकी डायनामिक लीडरशिप के कारण स्कूल नई बुलंदियों को छू रहा है। उनका मोटो स्कूल को रीडिंग स्कूल बनाना और नो चाइल्ड लेफ्ट बिहाइंड ने कमाल कर दिखाया है। स्कूल की सभी टीचर्स बहुत समर्पित हैं और पढ़ाना उनका पैशन है। अभी पिछले 2 महीनों में ही प्रिंसिपल मैम और सभी टीचर्स ने कड़ी मेहनत करी है। लॉकडाउन की वजह से उनके ऊपर अपने परिवार की भी जिम्मेदारी थी, मगर साथ साथ किताबें ना होने की वजह से उन्होंने बच्चों को स्टडी मटेरियल भिजवाया, नोट्स भिजवाए और ये सुनिश्चित किया कि सभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस सुचारू ढंग से चले।
Our journey with the DPS family started 11 years back. It was DPS only which taught him discipline, sincerity, and zeal towards success. He inculcated leadership skills within in school only. We are really blessed to be part of the DPS family.
There is a famous saying, adversity doesn't build character. In fact, it reveals it. And I can proudly vouch this saying, especially for DPS Jalandhar during COVID-19 pandemic, disrupting our lives in all aspects and enforcing to think out of the box. DPS Jalandhar was pretty quick to carry forward the mantle of offline teaching in school by adapting to the new normal of online teaching and ensuring our children's smooth transition with ease and perfection into the new normal. The decision of putting our children few years back in DPS Jalandhar has been proved so right today in these unprecedented times when we see DPS Jalandhar performing so professionally, efficiently and undoubtedly head and shoulders above all in comparison to other reputed schools of Jalandhar.